Hello my friends, welcome back to the Military Space Channel. This time we will discuss U.S. destroyer used SM-2s to down 3 land attack missiles launched from Yemen. U.S. guided missile destroyer took out 3 land attack missiles fired from the shore of Western Yemen. USS Carney, DDG-64, shot down the 3 missiles and a number of drones from Houthi-controlled territory in Yemen. This action was a demonstration of the integrated air and missile defense architecture that we have built in the Middle East and that we are prepared to utilize whenever necessary to protect our partners and our interests in this important region. An early incident assessment reviewed by USNI News said Carney fired Standard Missile 2s to down the land attack missiles over the Red Sea and 8 drones launched from Western Yemen. It's unclear what the missiles were targeting, but Ryder told reporters the missiles were headed north, potentially toward targets in Israel. However, Ryder did not give specifics as to the type of missile launched. The west coast of Yemen is more than 1,000 miles from the southernmost tip of Israel, the outer range limit of most land attack cruise missiles. Houthi rebels in Yemen have previously indicated an interest in fighting against Israel, Behnam bin Tailblue. They have raised that again following the most recent attacks Israel and Hamas. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, continue to support this channel by subscribing and sharing. Thank you.